Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. I'm Anjali Mutiara and this is my partner.
Hi, you can call me Misha.
So today I'm gonna asking her some question which is related to cross and multicultural communication. So before we start, can you please explain and introduce yourself first?
Of course, my name is Misha. You can call me May or Sha. I live in Indonesia and native language Indonesia, of course.
So you are non-native English speaker.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, alright.
And my job now is a content creator in TikTok and YouTube and Instagram. You can see me in that
And if you
social
don't
media.
mind, can I know your age? How old are you?
I'm 23 years old in this year.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
So the first section we're gonna discuss about time. I'm
About
gonna
time.
asking about three questions
Okay. About time.
about time.
Okay.
So my first question is, if you're a passenger,
Hmm?
what's your attitude when your plane or your bus or your train is late? Are you angry or just accept or
Oh,
you are resigned?
if it's late,
Yeah.
actually, it's totally fine for me
Okay.
because there is sudden problem. Maybe I will accept and wait for a while because I personally am a person who can tolerate problem a little if it is clearly intended. It's totally fine for me. No
Okay.
problem.
The second question is,
Hmm?
what do you think if your friend is lack of punctuality?
Punctuality.
Punctuality.
Okay. Um, I think if it's my close friend,
Yeah.
it's no problem. No problem for me. It won't be a problem
Hmm?
as long as it's not late in 30 minutes late, but if it's a coworker, my partner job, especially when we've had a set time, I will think that they are unprofessional. Yeah, I'm subjective person.
So it depends on what friend.
My close friend.
Oh, okay, okay. Uh, the last question is,
The last question.
if you're invited
Hmm?
dinner at 7 p.m.,
Hmm?
what time do you expect to leave?
Respectfully. Okay, dinner is in 7
At
p.m.
7 p.m.
Okay.
What time?
If the invitation is my close friend,
Huh?
I would enjoy, really, really enjoy if they my close friend. Oh, spending time with them at the midnight, maybe around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. It's
With your
okay.
close friend.
Yes, I really, really enjoy.
If not too close,
That's it. If not close, invitation me was given invitation from a different.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I will go home maybe at 9 p.m.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're gonna next to second section.
Okay.
I'm gonna asking about eating.
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 Okay.
My first question
Hmm?
is body weight linked to beauty concept or sexual attractive
Hmm?
in your opinion?
Is body weight link? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
link.
Okay. Um, when it comes to be beauty standards, it's actually a relative thing, right? It's beauty. Everyone has their own beauty, but whether weight, it's is related to that. I think so because beauty and sexual attraction are about physically.
Exactly.
Yes, physically, and weight is first thing that seems apparent. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, when we look someone, we look into their
Their weight.
weight body. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, back again, beauty standard is actually a relative thing, right?
So body weight is important to you?
Yeah, important.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Uh, Next question.
Okay, next question.
Can you tell me
Hmm?
about consumption of alcohol in your country?
Consumption of alcohol. Okay. However, when it comes to drinking alcohol, in my country, it might be common in some place.
Common.
Yeah, in some place. But for me, it is still a taboo and forbidden for me because I'm not drinking alcohol.
Okay, okay, I know. The last question about eating.
Hmm?
Can you tell me,
Hmm?
is it normal for someone to eat with bare hand?
Bare hand.
Bare hand.
I
Eating
think
with
bare
bare
hand.
hand,
Okay, it's totally
not
fine.
using spoon.
Yeah, it's totally fine because in some beverage I eating with my bare hands.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, maybe if I eat nasi padang and nasi uduk, maybe you can see another people eating by bare hands.
It's so local food.
That's right.
Very local.
It's totally normal. It's totally fine if you're eating by bare hands.
So you eating local food with bare hand
Yeah,
sometimes.
sometimes.
Okay, I got it. Okay, we're gonna move to third section.
Third
We're gonna
section.
discuss about conversation.
Okay, conversation. Let's get started.
Oh my god, you're so excited, right?
Very, very excited. Let's get started. What the
So
question?
my,
What's the question?
my first question is,
Okay.
when you meet someone who speak very very loudly,
Okay.
are you just ignore or irritate or tolerant?
Oh, okay.
What do you think?
Honestly,
Yeah.
it's for me. It's very annoying thing because when we mingle with other people, we have to be control ourselves, right? um, by not talking too loudly, we are already very respectful of comfort many people, right? That's because we have to able to control ourselves, right? Remember that.
Okay, the next question is,
Mhm.
when you meet someone
Okay.
who which you don't like their outfit,
Hmm?
can you be straightforward? You tell them, I don't like your outfit, or just
Hmm?
can you tell me?
Probably not
Hmm?
because it's none of my business.
Okay, okay.
Probably not. It's not me, not my style. And the last question.
Okay, the third question
Hmm?
is, can you tell me about common greetings or gesture in
Hmm?
your culture when people meet?
When I met my friends,
Yeah.
something like that. Oh, if I met my friends, yeah, I usually say hi while waving my hand, hi, and ask, how's life? How are you today? And maybe while patting their shoulders, like,
Oh my
hi.
god, you're so friendly.
I'm so friendly. I'm social butterfly. Oh no.
Hello. Now we're in fourth section and we're gonna discuss about gender.
Gender. Okay, let's get started.
So my first question is,
Mhm.
what do you think about women who shows a lot of their body?
Shows
A lot
lot
of their body.
body.
Yeah,
Why not? Why not? Our body is our choice,
it's totally
right?
right.
Our body is our choice. So whatever and however, if you want to dress up, just do it because our body is our choice. And so don't comment too much. Remember that. Don't comment too much.
Okay, okay. And now the second question is,
Hmm?
who typically does the dishes and cleaning in your family, in your culture?
In your culture, in my family,
Yeah.
um, of course, all of them.
Wow.
All of them with an exception.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Even it's my father, my mother, my brother, or my little brother. However, without exception, right? If it's a role in family, then it's the responsibility of all family members, all
Okay.
family, without
Okay.
exception.
The last question about gender.
Okay. The last question.
Could a woman work as a career woman in
Hmm?
your culture?
Of course. Why not?
Why not?
Just do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just do it. There is no rule that woman can do work this or that.
Because working has no gender, right?
Right. Is totally right. Um, all gender have the right work, get a job, their life. Exactly.
Okay, I got it. Thank you for answering it.
My pleasure.
Okay, now we're gonna discuss about love.
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 Okay. About love.
Okay. Uh, for the first question,
Hmm?
I gonna asking you, how do young people in your culture
Hmm?
behave when they fall in love? Is it made public?
Hmm?
Are they kiss or hold hand in
Hmm?
public? Or just private? Keep them private.
Okay. Mostly
Hmm?
they met public, and hold hands in public. But for
Kiss.
kissing is something more private.
Oh, okay.
Usually they didn't do that in public. Yeah,
Okay,
maybe
okay.
just hold hands or kiss forehead or hugging. Yeah,
Okay, okay. I got
just like that. Yeah.
it. So the second question
Hmm?
is, what's your honest reaction when you see a gay couple? Wow, it's so
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
sensitive.
I'm looking. Okay. My reactions? No, no, because I don't tolerate. I don't tolerate. Because I don't tolerate, so maybe I have a shock reaction.
Oh, you're shocked.
Shock.
Oh
Are
my,
you
okay,
gay?
okay. Are you gay?
Are you gay?
Whoa.
Um, I'm asking, really, really asking for day. Okay,
Oh,
are you gay? Because I don't very very tolerate. Yeah, because I accept different but not profession. Right.
okay, okay. It's very
No.
sensitive.
Very very sorry. So sorry. No
Sensitive if
offense.
we talk about sexual orientation.
Yes, no offense, but I don't I don't
Okay.
tolerate. Sorry. No offense. Okay.
Okay, the last question is, what does value
Hmm?
that place on marriage in your culture?
Hmm?
Is it arranged for social reason or for economic?
Okay. Oh, I like the question. Both of them.
Oh,
Both of them. Because there are so many demands for marriage.
hmm.
Right. That's
Like what? Like what?
for women.
Can you give me a example?
Okay. Women who have a husband rich husband.
For what?
Because in this economy, in this country,
Okay.
in this country,
Okay.
we have
No.
husband rich. We
Why?
have husband rich because in this economy that we have we 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 we
So what's your conclusion? I don't understand. Can you explain?
yeah, woman who have to have rich husband and a man who have to get married at least before 13.
Oh, it's age factor.
Yeah, X factor.
Oh.
And yeah, economic.
Now we're gonna talk about bringing up baby.
Bring up baby.
The
Okay.
first question is,
Mm-hmm.
Do the young children
Hmm?
mix freely with adults, or do they tend to be play
Hmm?
elsewhere?
Elsewhere? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I prefer children to play in different place because um, with the children who are older than them, um, because their way of talking and socializing is very different. Because young and adult very different
Okay.
talking and socializing. You
Okay.
know what I
Okay.
mean?
Okay. Okay. The second question is:
Okay.
are the children generally punished for breaking rules?
Ah,
How?
okay.
And can be this done in public? Are they smacked
Hmm?
or what?
What else?
Yeah.
Um, Depending on what they did wrong. Usually, children who are finished have their cell phone taken away by their parents, or are not allowed to play anymore.
Oh, depends on the parents.
Yes,
Okay.
they share phone, maybe. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, the last question about bringing up baby.
Okay, last
How
question.
long do mother or father
Hmm?
stay at home at maternity or paternity? How
Oh,
long? How long?
how long? As fast as I know, they usually get 3 or 4 months
Wow.
of leave. As as long as I know.
Wow. Okay. Thank you for answering,
My
Meisha. Okay, now
pleasure.
I gonna asking you about education in your culture, in
Okay,
your
education.
country.
Okay,
Okay.
let's get started.
The first question
Hmm?
I'm gonna asking you: are the majority of teacher is female?
Oh yeah, majority of teacher is female.
Why?
Maybe because female have mothering instinct.
Wow, mothering instinct.
Yeah, it's, almost female, so they are more
Suitable.
suitable for
Ah,
teaching.
okay.
Right.
Okay, the second question is: do the student wear uniform
Hmm?
in school in
Oh,
your culture?
yes, yes, yes. All school
Hmm?
require students are wear uniform. Almost all school.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, the last question is
This is last question.
yeah.
Okay.
Last question
In
in
education.
education.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
uh, what's how attitude
Hmm?
in school when student cheating?
When student cheating.
Yeah,
Okay. Mostly.
what
Uh,
attitude?
okay. Mostly the score education,
Hmm?
score deducted, and given bad record
Oh,
from their
teacher.
teacher. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Almost their teacher
Most.
do that.
So when student cheating, teacher give a bad score
Yes,
and
score deducted.
bad notes.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Last but not least, I have a random question.
Okay.
It doesn't have any specific
Section.
section.
Okay.
It's just other question that randomly I want to ask you.
Okay.
Can I?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Can you give me uh, some explanation?
Hmm?
What festival that important
Hmm?
that usually celebrate in your country and how they celebrate?
Okay, in my country,
Yeah.
Islam and Christianity are the
Mm.
dominant religions.
Oh yeah.
So usually, the most festive celebration is are on Eid al-Fitr for the Muslim and Christmas for Christian.
Christian.
Mm. And um, where they gather with their families and eat holidays cookies. Yeah, a lot of people
Okay.
in Christian and Muslim.
Okay, I got it. Okay,
Got it.
the second question is:
Hmm?
are there any belief that health in your culture?
Healthy, my culture. Oh, of course.
What is it?
There are still many in Java and Kalimantan.
Oh,
There's many, such as santet,
content.
santet to make people unlucky,
Ah,
and pellet to make people fall in love.
oh,
Yeah, and sesajen, we call sesajen,
sesajen.
to worship or give offering to someone who already died.
Oh, sesajen, it's like food.
Yes.
Oh,
They
okay,
have
I know.
coffee, chicken,
Oh,
or
okay.
fruit, maybe orange, maybe apa tuh? Maybe
Yeah.
yeah, kepala kambing. That's
Okay.
that's all.
Okay, thank you. And the last ini this is literally last question.
Literally, last question.
Can you describe your unique culture? Yours?
Yours? Yours.
Yours.
I'm
Mine.
in my tribe,
Yeah.
Betawi. My tribe Betawi. Usually we eat there. Must be sambal.
Oh, sambal.
Without sambal,
Sambal is chili.
yes,
Oh.
chili. Without sambal is not nice. Not
Mm.
yeah.
Okay.
We have sambal always, and or there must be have lalapan in the table. Yes, this is unique for Betawi.
Okay. Thank you, Mesha, for your explanation.
My pleasure.
So that's all from us. That's all from Mesha explanation about her culture.
Yes, my culture.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.